So again, with this particular synth, it's a totally different synth engine. So the FM depth, that's kind of like its resonance. You've got the FM itself here. But for the dubby kind of house sound, I always sort of like take the cut off down. That's the main thing I do, take the cut off down. And these are the wavetables. So what it's doing there, it's scrolling through all the different waves, and then you can manipulate them as you go along. Another good synth for basses for house is the retro synth as well. So if I just go into that, this is probably nearest sort of synth to, you know, Silent or the like. It's also got, it's like 4 synths into one. So you've got the analog version of it. So let's just go for a bass sound. Classic analog bass. Excuse me. So the only difference is the filter is here and the res are here. You've got an envelope which is also filtering it. And what we spoke about before, the amp envelope, the amplification is your cut or your attack, delay, sustain and release. So as you can see, A for attack. So I'm actually getting the attack of the sound there, and I can even do it on the filter as well. If you wanted that kind of flat Eric sound. Along here you've got 2 oscillators, so you can pick which waveform you want. So that's a sort of triangle, and let's go for a square, and then you can mix between the two. So basically you've got 2 oscillators, you mix in between the two, and I know for a bass sound you want something that's more sine wave or square wave, and then take it down with the filter. So all I'm teaching you is just basic synthesis. I apologise for all you advanced guys. I hope you can take away with the synths I'm actually using. I'm going to move on to this next section because there's another MIDI effect that I'd like to show you, and this is the note repeat. This is pretty bonkers. So I'm just going to take it off. So I just got an EF M1 bass, which I showed you before. Quite sort of a donkey sort of bass. Just a simple house pattern. I played it in myself. Whatever. Right, yeah. Now, if I get this note repeat on, this adds all sorts of different elements. So basically, when you first load it up, it's got 3 note repeats on. So I'm going to leave what I've got on. I'm just going to add another one. This is the other thing. You can add MIDI effects on MIDI effect. So let's go for note repeat. So as you load it up, it's going to repeat 3 times. And these are the repeats here. And it's going to repeat in an 1/8. But by messing around with the velocity ramp, every note that's repeated is going to go down in velocity. So you can take it right down. So now I've just got a hint of 3 notes. I could change that to 2 notes. I could transpose that up. that's doing is it's repeating the note, but transposing the notes it's repeating up 12, and then I can change the time. So straight there, within 2 seconds, that's just got 4 different vibes of a bass line that was just really bog standard. Now the bog standard, it works anyway, but what I'm showing you is, you know, these MIDI effects that they just might inspire. You know, you get a riff in and you just think, it's a bit boring that, let's try something else. I'm just going to go through this instrument. So on a lot of house tracks, this is Logic Suitcase. It's like basically it's like a Rhodes keyboard. They're like a massive keyboard. So, you know, you're talking all the big house tracks, all the US stuff, will all use this stuff on. So they might have a big piano, but then they'll just always back it underneath. For say it's a garage track or something, they'll, you know, like it's just that, it's not a piano, it's kind of like an organ. It's almost like a cross between an organ and a piano, but there's some really, really good sounds on it. And then going into it, yeah, you've got the pitch of it, the release, basically like a synth. And then within that, you've got the effects itself. And you can hear the phaser and the tremolo. But it's a really, it's a beautiful sound. So if I just go through some of the sounds on here, they're awesome. Again, if you put the chord trigger on,
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fontana.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amber D here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Satek.
Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
where you can access world-class producers in your studio
Every single day.
Mixmasters.